Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Forza Horizon 4 not opening after install. Let's fix it guys. Just need to update to resolve the not launching problem. To update it, here is the update list. I have 4 parts downloaded as you can see over here. And now we just need to find the part 1. And here is the part 1 file as you can see. Just right click on it and select WinRAR and select extract here option. And now double click on the application. Select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select the language and select OK option. Select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you saved the game. I saved in C drive. Here is the game folder. Select it and select OK option. Select next. And this will ask already exits. Select yes. Username. Just type your name. Select next. Select install option. After the installation done, select the finish option and launch the game through the desktop shortcut. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.